Make myself a little area out there. I got my garbage bag over here. Got another black garbage bag there. I was gonna do some raking some leaves, but the landlady said I could have a rake tomorrow, so hopefully tomorrow's another nice day. But I want to go out there and just start cleaning up a little area where I want to sit, so I can just really connect with nature, and then I can get started with the readings. So yeah. Anyways, other than that, I'm ready to do readings again. And tonight I'll do the oracles, but I don't know if I'll be getting this video done today because I'm taking my time because I want to make a nice video. So my trip to Goddard Trigger Band the other day, and I seen some cool things on the way, so I recorded that. So I'm just going to go outside today right now. I mean, I was already out there, but I'm going to go sit on my chair for a bit and just see what the weather's like. And maybe I'll clean up a little bit and do a little meditation. And I was thinking of maybe recording the reading out there today, the oracle reading for today, to record an oracle reading out there in nature today for you guys. So we'll see. All right, God bless y'all. So I do have my chair right here, but see all the garbage over there, all the leaves and garbage over there that's been thrown over here. There's a bunch of chairs over there that needs to be cleaned up, so I just want to clean up the area over here and shit. It's not bad in here. I should have put a sweater on. Anyways. My pain is finally gone away a little bit more. So I wanted to come out here and do a little bit of good afternoon and good evening, wherever you're watching, whatever time it is where you're watching. Anyways, today is April the 8th. April the 8th. Anyways, I was going to make another video today, so I've already made my dough. So this has already been punched down once, and while I'm waiting, I've already done a bunch of dishes too. And while I'm waiting for the dough to go up, I am now going to take my doggie out for her bathroom. And then while I'm out there, I'm going to do some raking because I got the rakes yesterday. So I'm going to rake some leaves, and then I cleaned up a little bit the other day. So I'm going to add that video to this video, and then I'm going to put them all together. And then I'm going to clean up a little bit of my yard out there to have a sitting spot. And then I might record some stuff that I'm doing in the house today. And trying to stay awake because I was up since 4 a.m. 4 a.m. No, I woke up at like 11 or 12 last night. Anyways, my sleep's all messed up again. So it's always like that. So anyways, that's what I'm doing today. So I gotta still finish cleaning the kitchen. So making bread today and trying to get clean outside. So welcome and come. So I gotta get my doggy ready now. Sit. Don't. Why do you fight me every time? Sit. She does this every time. I have to grab her like this, like a kitty. You know, that's it. Let's go. Let's hope it's nice out. Looks nice out. A little chilly. My rake's over there. I'm gonna figure out where I want to sit. Figure out where there's somewhere. My camera's full of flour. Making bread. Alright, I'll do that. I had to get a shovel. Alright, I got one bag and I gotta go get one more garbage bag because that will fit in the next garbage bag. And I got a nice little clean area here. No dog poopy or anything. Got my chair here. Actually, I can go get my chair now. Put my chair here now. This bag is for doggy bags. Look at doggy bags. Do my garbage truck. Get another garbage bag. And then a nice little area there. It is ready to be made into buns or bread. So, or pizza dough, whatever. So I think I'm going to make bread today because it's just quicker. And maybe I'll make a pizza. 'Cause I'm tired. So, anyways. Yeah, so I wash my hands and I'll show you guys what I do now. So maybe I'll leave one for pizza. I don't want to make little buns. I mean, it'd be better. Alright, let's make buns. Let's do this. We're gonna make buns. Because then we can just make sandwiches. Okay. Counter is already clean. Butter normally, but I like to use this instead of oil. So let's put some on my hands. This is actually a cookie sheet, but we're going to use it for buns too. It makes a lot more than this, but now we're going to use a knife, bread knife. I'm just going to start taking little pieces off here. However you want your buns, this will double in size. At least double, still get big. So you want to start off with smaller ones. So you just cut off so many of them. Okay, now we're gonna and you don't do it tight, you just kind of like hold your hand like this and roll it around the table as it's inside of it. Rolling around in your hand and on the table, and then it's perfectly like this. And put on the pan. It'll get nice and big. Some people can do it with both hands. I can't. I like to do it with my right one. I'm making my buns very small because I want them to rise really a bit longer, and that way that they're going to be a lot fluffier. The longer you let your buns rise, the fluffier they'll be. So I'm going to put them in the pan or in the cookie sheet. check the cinnamon buns. They're done. And then we're gonna put the buns in. And they're done. Let me know what it tastes like here. Sparkling their juices. So here we got the pizza dough yet for supper tonight. It's already risen. Doesn't need to rise, but here we got some buns. Much bigger they've gotten. And then these ones are the first ones that are gonna go in. Look how big they are because they were on the stove. So they got this weird shape here. So these are gonna go in first. Let me go with the biggest one. So I'll make a video of all the stuff I've done today and yeah, pretty much today. Most of it. And then I'm gonna maybe go for a little walk. So I'm gonna put it over 20 minutes at 400. Put it at 400. 20 minutes. Look at these ones. Nice and big. And these ones are made with some whole wheat. So yeah, they're gonna be fluffy because I made them so small. So we're gonna put it for 20 minutes. The buns are almost done. See? These ones are all done. And the cinnamon buns are done. Two more buns in there for 20 minutes, but I'm going to get the pizza started. So we're going to make some pizza. I'm going to use some of this cheese right here, which is feta cheese. And I'm going to use the rest of this cheese to make these two pizzas. And I'm also, hold on. Okay, so what we're going to do is just make a cheese and sauce pizza. So I'm going to make two. I don't really have, I could put onions on them. I don't really have any like tomatoes to cut up or anything like that. I have cauliflower, but I don't know if I like cauliflower. Okay. Chop it up. I don't like this very sharp. Oh no, this is very sharp. This could be kind of my life, a day in the life of mine, right? I hope you guys liked my last video on my trip. I'm getting better at making videos. So we're going to put one half in here and one half on the other one. So we're going to keep it separate so we have exactly the same amount of cheese on both. I don't really want to put any meat on it. Slowly so I don't get my finger. That last little piece has to stay big like that, or else you get your finger. Alright, so let's make one pizza. That's cheese. And we're going to use this cheese too. Liquid in it. Drain a little bit of the liquid. Let's get a pizza out. Get one of the pizzas. Okay, so we're gonna put some sauce on here. I just use regular spaghetti sauce, so we're gonna use mushroom and garlic and onion. One. It smells good. Oh, it smells strong. We're gonna use a brush. There's actually chunks of mushroom in it. Chunks. It's gonna be like cheese and sauce pizza. Just cheese and sauce. It's gonna be good. You can always do a garlic type of bread too. I keep these jars too for dry stuff. And the other one's gonna be different. Okay, so let's put some of the dry some of the dry cheese. Just put this cheese on first. Little skimpy on the cheese today. On that cheese. Use some of this one. Oh! This crumbles. I'm just gonna crumble it on there. This is feta cheese. So you can cut it, but I'm just gonna break off pieces to top. I think this was frozen. I'm supposed to freeze feta cheese, I guess. Can cut it. We're just gonna make a cheese pizza with feta cheese and regular cheese. So this is gonna be our pizza. And let's put the other one. Let's make the other one. Oh, we gotta grate some more cheese here. I almost got everything cleaned up outside. I just gotta go and finish the rest of it up. And then I might take a little trip to the park, go for a little walk, see if the mosquitoes aren't bad yet, because the last time I was outside sitting there, the mosquitoes were bad. So right now it's mosquito season. I don't like mosquito season too much. I like mosquitoes. So it's going to be just very simple pizzas. And I'm going to put it in after the buns are done. Because I have to turn the oven up to 500 for the pizza. So let's put some sauce. This one here is sweet basil and mandarin. You can always put your own spices on there too. This one has a nice chunk of tomatoes. Nice chunk of tomatoes. Well, the kids only like cheese pizza anyway. Or pepperoni. I don't have pepperoni. I don't prefer pepperoni. I just prefer just... Oh, I'm making a mess everywhere. Everywhere. Messy person. Creative is messy. Shake off. Drain some of the water off the cheese. One way to use up your feta cheese. You can put it on salads too. Drop some on the floor for your dog too. So it's kind of, I do accidentally, you know. Alright, so we're gonna put this rest of this cheese away. This sauce away. Come on, out of the kitchen. Okay. Pizzas are done. Set them to the side. wipe off my table counter. And I'll see you later. I hope you guys enjoy my videos. I'll get better as I go. So we're gonna go outside and fix that, and then go for a little walk after that. Finish up the outside and then go for a walk, and then I'll show you everything when it's done. Okay, bye. I did say I was gonna try some of the cinnamon rolls for you guys, made out of bread dough. See how it turned out. It won't be as fluffy as a regular cinnamon bun, but I guess I don't need to put it on a plate. Let's see if it's good. It's good, but it's chewy. More chewy than cinnamon bun. The inside is nice and soft though. I like to unroll them. It is good though. Oh no, it's good. Alright, I'm gonna finish eating this, and I'll show you all the bread when it's done, everything I made, and then I'll make this video tonight, and then I'm trying to balance out the readings and the videos that I make. Don't forget to subscribe though. Bye. So here's the buns all done, minus the ones Nicholas already took. And here's the rest of that left. I had one and Nicholas ate that many. And there's all the buns I did today. That won't last us that long. And then here's the 2 pizzas in there. I'll stick a photo to the end of that when they're done.